म्हाका वोट करून एक बरो प्राउड फील जालो। सगळे तरणाट्यांनी वोट करपाकूच जाय, डेमोक्रेसी घट करपाक आनी देश घडोवपाक वोट सगळ्यांनी करपाकूच जाय।
म्हाका बरें दिसलें आनी सगळ्यांनी वोट करपाक जाय बिकॉज रायट
आनी तुका जेन्ना ते कार्ड आयले पळय तुका तेन्ना कितें म्हणजे कितें दिसलें आपूण आतां वोट करपाक वतलें तेन्ना तुका कितें अशें दिसतालें?
म्हाका बरें दिसलें।
I'm voting for the first time, so I don't have much knowledge about politics background as well. But still, I feel that every deserving candidate should get the opportunity to vote. And first of all, politics should be one of the most compulsory subject which should be made in terms of education, since we are the youth who are responsible for the future.
Look at the camera.
I am Taran Mukherjee, second year student in Goa Medical College, and today I voted for the first time at the Donapola polling booth.
Yeah, how was your experience voting?
It was a very systematic and very organized experience. It was very easy to get through and cast my vote.
So, what was your feeling? Were you prepared for this voting?
I had done my research on the candidates and what the parties had done for the state, and I based my vote on what the future could hold.
उत्तर गोवा या विभागातून मी आज मतदान केलेलं आहे। मतदानाचं ओळखपत्र मिळाल्याबरोबर मला उत्सुकता होती की कधी एकदा मला मतदान करण्याची संधी प्राप्त होते आणि आज तो योग आलाय। मी आज मतदान केलेलं आहे। तेव्हा प्रत्येकानेच मतदान केलं पाहिजे। योग्य तो प्रतिनिधी निवडण्याचं काम हे आपल्याच हातात असतं। आपण ते व्यवस्थितपणे बजावलं पाहिजे। भारतीय संविधानाने हा हक्क आपल्याला दिलेला आहे, तेव्हा आपण त्या हक्काची अंमलबजावणी केली पाहिजे।